Now, kids, don't try this at home. Doesn't just apply to using heavy machinery, it also applies to your health too. In this video, I'll share why many DIY health tips can do more harm than good and why relying on an expert can make all the difference in the world. Hi, I'm Dr. Wanda Beddinghouse, functional medicine doctor. You know, when people try to DIY their health, they often miss a lot when it comes to understanding their bodies or their nutritional science and what's at risk with their health. While it's great to have a proactive stance, many of the health hacks out there aren't vetted by experts and may not be right for your biology or what imbalances you may be experiencing at the time. In fact, without the right testing and right advice, some of the diets and even supplements could be doing more harm than good if you don't really have any idea of what's going on in your body. Now, some people may be following a strict vegetarian diet because they heard it's healthy when their bodies would do better with meat. Or some folks are eating sugar-rich foods that are touted as healthy when in fact they are wrecking their insulin balance and blocking weight loss. Do you know that most people do the exact wrong diet and exercise program for their bodies? Well, type yes if you feel fallen prey to this. And this is why functional medicine can give you a window into what's happening right now with your body and the best fuel and workout to regain your energy and get the results you've been looking for. It can also help when you are dealing with hormonal imbalances and issues with thyroid health and your energy levels. You know, when I see a new patient, a careful and thorough history and physical exam is important to understand your unique health concerns. And this also helps me begin to find the root cause of why you have the symptoms your body is expressing. Evaluating your lifestyle, like how well you are sleeping, or what you are eating, or how much exercise you are doing or not doing, also gives us clues to any triggers that may be causing you to feel so miserable. The bottom line is this: in functional medicine, you are partnering with somebody who has studied extensively the root causes of many diseases and understands how to help you regain your health. Now, if this information has been helpful, let me know by liking this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for taking time to watch. And if you're interested, is actually piqued in any way, you can schedule a free discovery call with me by clicking the link below.